So to get started, you come over here to your Canva. This is my Canva. This is the interface. By the way, if you don't have Canva, what you need to do is go to your Play Store or your Apple Store, open your Play Store, then move over to your search bar, type in Canva. All right, type in Canva. You can see this is Canva AI design. Now what you need to do is install. You can see my own is writing open, but if you don't have Canva on your phone, what you see here, instead of open, you will see install. Then you go ahead and install Canva. Then from there you register with your email. That is it. Then you open your Canva. This is how your Canva will be like. Now there's two different ways that you can use to format or edit your ebook on Canva. Either you use ebook template or ready-made template that is on Canva, or you start afresh. All right, let me just show you the ebook template. Just come over here to search template, search for ebook template. Sorry, I'm having kata. Search for ebook template, then click on search. So as you can see here, we have so many ebook templates here. This one is 14 pages, this one is 9 pages, this one is 10 pages. So go ahead and choose any one. For example, let me click on one of them. So assuming that you want to use any of these, all right, so this is it here. So assuming that you want to use any of these templates here, these are the pages. These are the pages of the template and their design. All right, their designs are beautiful. So what you need to do is just go ahead and edit these works, put your own works, put your own design, change the color and all the rest. Then you are good to go. Save it and it's now your work. All right. I did a video on my YouTube channel on how you can use already made template to do that, but on this video, what I'm showing you is how to start afresh and create your own design. All right, so what you need to do is you come over here to your design. Then on this your design, you see these three dots here. Let me show you these three dots here. Then type on these three dots. Once you type on these three dots, you see design. Click on design. Then you see custom size. Where is it? See custom size. Click on custom size. Then write okay, on this unit change it to in inches, and once you change it to inches, then on weight, what you write there is 6.125. all right, then on the weight you write 9.25. then you create new design. Click on create new design. So let's wait for it to create. All right, so we're waiting for it. Please exercise some patience. This is it here. This is our design. What you need to do is start designing our ebook. So let me assume now that okay, they are not telling us to choose a template, which I don't want to choose any template. All right, I don't want to choose any template. I want to start afresh. So let me now assume that we have already designed our ebook cover. We have our ebook cover. In this video, I'm not showing you how to design your ebook cover. I have a video already. Okay, no, I will do a fresh new video. I've done that before, but I will still redo a fresh new video on how to design your ebook cover. So what you need to do here is put our ebook cover on the first page, assuming that you don't have the ebook cover. Then click on the okay, we have ebook cover. Put your ebook cover, attach your ebook cover. Your ebook cover is supposed to be on the first page. Then on the second page here, supposed to be your title page. All right, but I'm going to be starting from that first page. I'm just showing you straight ahead how to format ebook. Then our title page, that means your name, the title of your ebook, the subtitle, and your name. All right, so I have to go over here. This is my book already. So these are my book. I have already gotten the content. So before you start designing on ebook, on Canva, on anyway, both on Canva or Google Doc, you need to do this. You need to get your content, put them in one place, either on anywhere of your choice, any writer of your choice. So here is on my writer. I've already gotten all the whole content. So the name of my ebook, this is it. I have to copy all of them. Here. Then copy. The name of my ebook is Before You Say I Do: Hard Truth Every Dating Couple Must Face Before Marriage. Then I come over here. All right, so the next thing I need to do now is go to text, then bring my add heading. Then once I added, I'm going to paste all of these things that I just copied. Now I'm going to paste them, but because I want to give them a different font, I'm going to separate them. So what I will need to do is here, come over here, I need to select, I need to cut out this one, remove this one from here. All right, then duplicate this text. By duplicating, you click on this plus sign, that you're seeing here, this one, in order to duplicate any text. All right, so you click on this plus sign, then double click on it to highlight all of the text, then paste what we just copied now. All right, this is it. So I still need to go back here, cut out this my name, the author's name, because all of them have their own font. All right, so I cut it out. As you can see here, everyone, all of them are in their own separate, all of them are different now. So I need to duplicate these two so that I can use it to create the next one, instead of me to go back on text. All right, so this is it here. Now I have to give this one, start giving this one a font. Then I have to go to my font. I'll go to my font. Then which font am I using? Let me search for any font. Okay, let me use this one, Gagalin. All right, no, so what I need to do is this. Okay, I still need to do something. I want to remove this. I want to cut out this method. Please, I want to cut out this iju. Please cut it. I want to cut out this iju. Then let me duplicate this, because I want that iju to carry another font, iju. All right, so this before you say iju, before you say, all right. Then there's this one. I will extend it a little bit. Please, while designing your ebook, be mindful of this line, this straight line that you're seeing here. Whenever your content is on this straight line, you know that yes, your work is on the straight line. Your work is at the middle of the book. All right, now this is it. So this one, you need to give this one a font. Let's look for any good font that will be given to this one. Let's look for font. Okay, which font am I even giving? Let me use new Time New Roman. Let me give it Time New Roman. I want to bring this one down a little. Okay, then Time New Roman is what I'll be giving to this one. So the same thing with this, I'll still be giving it Time New Roman. Okay, then minimize this, bring it down, minimize it. So this is for my title page. So this is my title page here. I think I'm okay with this. Now I need to go back. I need to move forward to The next page is my copyright page. All right, the next page is my copyright page. So for me to get my copyright page, you have to click on this plus sign. See this plus sign? This is how to add page. This plus sign that you are seeing here. Okay, this is one of the ways for you to add page. I will still show you how to duplicate page. All right, so now this is a new fresh page. I want to show you something. I'm supposed to show you this before I start writing this title page, but I did not do it. I did not do that. So the next, I want to show you on this page before I start writing my ebook. There is something I used to do. I'll come over here to this three dots that you're seeing here. Come over here to this three dot. Once you reach here, you see setting. You see setting here. You see setting. So on this setting, click on it. Once you click on it, you will see another one, show margin. All right, so on this show margin, click on show margin. For you can see the margin here. This margin, this will help you it will help your work to be at the center or at the middle. All right, it will help your work to be at the middle. That is why I normally bring it out, so that my work will not be scattering. All right, so this margin, after writing, I will still remove it. Now the next thing that we need to do, go back to our text, then copy this sorry, go to copyright, then copy on this copyright, then go to text. I'll click on this. Just click on any one. As long as you're not going to shape it, you are going to add it, give it a kind of what is it, size, number size or whatever. So select any one. So I've selected this. Then I'll have to highlight all of them in order to paste what I just copied now. So I highlight it, then do paste. So it has paste now. So the next thing I need to do is to start writing, to give it a font. You know, for you to start this particular content in ebook, some people, mostly new time roman or time new roman is very common. All right, time new roman is very common, so I'll be using time new roman on this ebook. Then I will give it a Time New Roman font. Then the size, I will change the size to 15 or 14. I normally use these two size. I see change it to 15 or 14, but I'll be using 15. Then after that I'll have to go to my alignment. All right, this one is right alignment, center alignment, left alignment, and justify alignment, or is it called justification? I don't just know, but justify. Then I'll be using it so that my text, my content will be equal. Now I have used this. Then the next thing is I need to expand this a little. I want it to be organized. All right, very close to that margin. It's not going to be touching the margin. All right, so bring it to the center. Okay, yes, it's okay like this. Now then the next thing I need to do, most book that you used to see copyright and the name of the writer always be on capital letter, and please on bold. So I need to highlight only this copy, right? Okay, this line, this first line. All right, reserve copyright C as 2020 by Happiness Emeka. All right, reserve. So I need to highlight them. Once I highlight them, see B, this place that you are seeing, this B, this particular place now. Shift. Oh, okay, look at it. You just click on B. This B means you want to bold it. This I that is a kind of bend means that you want it to be on italic. All right, so I have highlighted it. I need to bold it. Now I have bold it. Maybe I need to make this one to come down, put it in another line. All right, or better still, you can still leave it, your choice though. All right, so the next thing is move to the next page. The next page is my dedication page. Okay, so all your disclaimer, acknowledgement, all of these you can still add all of them. All right, but what I want to add now is only dedication, so that this video will not be longer. Then I will copy this. I will not copy the dedication because I want the dedication to have another font of its own. Then copy. All right, come over here. Now there's something I always do while writing. Remember when I brought this content, there's some certain things I did. I shape it, I give it a font, I give it a font size. All right, and you saw me when I was drawing it so that my text will fit between at the middle of the margin. So I would not like to repeat the same thing I did on the other pages. So what I will do is I will start copying all the text. This particular text now, I will copy it and carry it to the next page, highlight and paste my content, the fresh content that I want to write. So let me show you what I mean. I will click on this text, on this content. Now I will click on it. Then once I click on it, come over here to these three dots here. All right, come over here to this three dots, click on this three dots. You will see copy. This particular copy, this copy you are seeing here is quite different from the copy that this particular copy now is quite different from this copy that you come here to copy. Let me show you what I mean. Now I have highlighted this text, copy it. Now I've copied it. Then move to the next page. Once you move to the next page, still click on these three dots and these three dots, see paste, you can see paste, then paste it. You can see here this particular text is not two, it's a kind of duplication, another pattern to duplicate one particular text, to carry one particular text or content to another page. All right, so you then carry it then to here, so that you not start afraid to be giving fonts, giving size, or the or whatever. Do you understand? Then you come over here. Now if I should paste this, because of this bold letter, this my content is starting from bold. Remember, mind you, it's going to be on bold. All my text is going to be on bold, but I never mind, I'm going to remove it. So what I will do here now is just to highlight all of them, click on them, and it will highlight. Then remember, I have already copied this dedication. That's why I told you that that this particular copy is quite different from Canva copy. So now I have already copied that my dedication. What I will do here is come over here and paste it. All right, so just like I told you that all of them is going to be on board, so what I will do is unbold them. Then unbold, I will do unbold. Okay, I have not selected it. Then I will select it. So sorry, what I will do now is to select it. Once I select it, come over here to this place, then it has unbold. All right, so this is my dedication, and this is my dedication. I don't want it to be like this. I want it to be center, the alignment, I want it to be center. All right, so I carried it, and so this book is dedicated to everyone. So you can here, you can, if you want to a kind of make a point to the people that you are addressing. All right, so those people, those particular people that we are addressing, channeling the dedication to, if you want to make them go that, for example, this book is dedicated to everyone who choose to pause before saying I do, you can choose this everyone, come over here, make it bold. So those who has hard question when it would have been easier to stay silent, to those who walk away. So anyone that you want to a kind of make a point, you can come here. You know, sometimes you'll be reading some book, you see some places, you see italic, they wrote that particular spot with italic, some different color, some different, and then they can just kind of identify that place, showing you that this particular point, I want you to take note of it. All right, so you can see, come over here and do it. Now we have not written our headline on this. Remember, this is our dedication. So I'll go to text, go to heading. All right, then go back and copy this dedication, then copy, then come over here and paste it. All right, now I have pasted it. I want to this dedication, I want to make it a kind of capital letter, then draw it here. I need to give it a font. All right, I need to give it a font. Then come over here, choose a font. Let me see this one, if this one will work. All right, all right, let me just use this one. Okay, let me use this one. Let me use this particular one. All right, so I will leave it like this. I will leave it like this. So it's okay. Maybe I bring it down. Okay, it's okay like this. Now let's move to another page. The next page is our copy table of content page, please. Our table of content page. Now I want to show you something. If you want to, how I used to get my idea, my table of content idea, come over here to design. If you want to get an idea of the table of content, so to this design, click on design, then go to template. You see, type on table of contents, then search. So you can see different design, different methods, all right, different designs of table of content. By so doing, you get idea of table of content, you a kind of model. All right, you get an idea of some table of content you model, and you do it on your own. Just for example, this particular one, you can see this one, this, please, this. Now let me just try this. Let me just try this. Okay, then you go back, that one, then go to element, go to shapes. All right, you go to element, you go to shapes, edit. No, it's not what I want. Let me delete this. Then go to element. Where is the shape? This particular one is what you want. Then bring it over here. bring it over here. All right, now you bring it here. Now give it a color. Let's just choose any color. Okay, which color are we choosing now? There's no, so let me just choose this color. Now we've choose this color. What do you need to do? Write our table of content, then write go to heading, table of, then let me duplicate this content. All right, then this table of contents, give it a font. Which font are we giving it now? Let me give it this particular font. Then this content, let me give it this one. Now this is it here. I have to, oh, as you can see, all my work is under this margin. I'm not crossing this margin, take note. So this is it here. All right, then you bring it. So if you want to, if you still want to kind of bold it or whatever, you can go ahead. All right, if you want to give these colors, if you want to give them a color, you can go ahead and give them colors. Now the next thing we need to do, go back to element. Once you go back to element, let me just see, oh, under the shape, let me just see. Okay, pick this particular one. Now let me come over here. Okay, then this is what we saw there. Then duplicate this, duplicate it a little, depending on how many your ebook, your chapter. All right, depending on how many your chapters is. Now we have gotten this. The next thing we need to do is still go back to element, bring this shape, this zero shape. All right, bring it over here, then place it. Okay, then let's give that one another color. Let's give it a color. Which color are we giving it now? Okay, no, this color is okay. There is a color. So just let me, you can just try on your own. Okay, let me just give it this color. All right, let me just give it that color plus. Okay, so this is it here. This is how to get, oh god, this is beautiful. All right, so here you can come over here and see change the color if you want. You can come over here and see change the color if you want. Okay, you can come over here, then change this color to this. So any of your choice, just play around the table of content. Now we have to start writing. All right, so go to text. Okay, please make sure that these things, all of them are in order. Make sure that they are in order. All right, as you can see, some of them are not in order here. Then you make sure they are in order. Now the next thing, go to text, then bring this. All right, we have to start with introduction. The first thing there is introduction. Our introduction, come over here, copy your introduction, then paste it, then introduction. All right, then carry it to this place, give it a font. Which font are we giving it? Let's still give it Time New Roman. All right, let's give it Time New Roman. So I'll be writing this with white, or should I write it with this pink? No, okay, let me write it with white. All right, make it bold, then come over to bold, make it bold. Okay, now duplicate it, bring it over here, then copy our first chapter, copy, then this first chapter, paste. All right, so you can see, then our second chapter is what? Our second chapter is this particular one, copy. So let me not just come and start writing this. Let me kind of do, assuming this is all of our chapter. All right, just fill in your chapters here, fill in your chapters. Okay, let this video not be too long. Fill in all your chapters, fill all your chapters. All right, so go ahead and fill all the whole chapters. That is exactly what I want to show you here. Fill in all the whole chapters, make them to be in a uniform order. Okay, so this is how to do your table of contents. Okay, you can still get more ideas on how to design your table of contents. This is how I do normally do mine. Now come over here. You're going to delete this because it's not going to carry this. Then this one, let me duplicate this, then write 1, that is chapter 01. All right, then carry it, bring it, then bring it over to this place. Good, bring it over here, change it a color, give it this color. All right, so this is it here. You can see do it on all of them, then be changing the numbers depending on your chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. So if you can see, this is our table of content. Wow, this is good. Now the next page is introduction page. All right, now for me to write my introduction page, I will come over here to this dedication. I'm not going to be writing introduction again. Then click on this three dot, just like I showed you before. Then click on copy. And once I click on copy, I bring it to this new fresh page. Once I bring it here, then I will click on this three dot and do paste. It's here. So now I've done paste, then I will just highlight, click on it to highlight, then start writing my I did not highlight. Then I'll start writing my introduction. Then this is my introduction here. All right, I'll go back and copy my introduction. So this is the introduction here. I'll go back and copy the introduction. I'm not going to copy all of this, so on your own, just take your time. Now I've copied my introduction. Let me show you another thing. Then still go back to this place. Remember, we have done everything on this particular place. Then click on this three dots. Once you click on this three dots, do copy. And once you do copy, come over here and paste. Let this thing go. See, do on this click on that three dot, paste your work. Now this have come in board now. All right, so that you will not start at first to be giving page to be giving a kind of font size, or arranging it so that it's going to be at the center. Now what you need to do now is highlight all of them. Once you highlight all of them have highlighted, then paste your introduction. Remember what we are writing with justify alignment. So what you need to do, click on this, then come over here to this format, then click on justify alignment, so that all of them will be in order. So now start editing. Most people enter marriage, so look at where you want to edit. All right, where you want to come up. All right, then this is how you start editing. This book is not for it. Then you can look at where you want to make a point. All right, look at where you want to give a point. Maybe say where you want, once people reach at that particular point, they will kind of take notes. Okay, they will kind of take notes. Okay, so this is how to edit your work, edit your book. Okay, so this is it here. Then start. You read before you will read and know where to amend, where to format, where to put comma, or where to bring down. All right, so this is it here. So we'll be stopping. Okay, no, this is how to edit your work. Now we'll be moving to page 1, chapter 1. All right, we're moving to chapter 1. Or you can see, okay, I want to make a point at this chapter. I want to do something at this chapter. I then highlight this I do, because I want this I do to I want this this particular idle, and I want it to be in a bold form. All right, so this is our introduction. Now let's move to our chapter 1. Now our chapter 1, what is the chapter 1? All right, now this is our chapter 1. We need to do something on our chapter 1. We want this chapter 1, from this chapter 1, I want it to carry some design, some fine design. So what I will need to do is I come over here to elements, then remove this, come over here to elements, then go to line. I will go to line. No, let me just show you what I did. Go to element, search for line. Okay, I'll search for line. Let me wait for line. Okay, now you can choose any line of your choice. Then I'll select this particular line. Okay, now this line, I want this line is a kind of thick. I want it to be, let me make it 2. Let me make it 2. Good. Now the next thing I need to do is bring this line here. This is my measurements. Then bring it a little bit. Fine. So this is the line. Then I will duplicate this line, bring it down. I will still bring this line down. Okay, they're equal now. All right, so now let me come over here. This introduction, I will kind of copy this introduction, copy, so that I will use that write my chapter 1. I will copy this introduction, move it over to this place, then paste this introduction. I will now change it to chapter 1. I will now change it to chapter 1, but I'm going to change the font. It's not going to be in capital letter. It's not going to be in capital letter. I will change it to like this. This is how it's going to be. But I'm going to change the font. So I'll click it, go to font. I'll click it, go to font, then look for another font that I will give it. All right, maybe I don't like this one. I'll move to just look for a good font that you would like to give your work. Okay, look for a good font that you like to give your work. Maybe let me just give it to give him this font. Let me just give this font. Now duplicate this. Now what is the name of our okay, this is it here. Copy, then come over here and paste what we just copied here. Love is not enough. Okay, there is something I want to do here. I want to change this chapter, the font of this chapter. I want to change the font. Then click on it, come over here. Then you have to kind of look for any font of your choice. Okay, let me give it New Time Roman. I'm giving it to New Time Roman. Then come over here and make it bold. This is how I want it to be. Now I want to do something here. Now what is the duplicate this? I want to this thing should go. I want to duplicate this. Once I duplicate this, I bring it here. I want to use it and do something. The name of this book is before you say I do. All right, this is the name of the book, and this particular chapter, let me paste this. Love is not enough. Now I want to carry this thing. I want to take this to, okay, this before you say I do. Then I will take it to this place. Then okay, there's something I want to do. I want to kind of highlight all of them. Okay, make them in capital letter. Then shape it a little. It's okay like this. Then it's going to be here. Then I'll carry this one, this very one. Now I'll then take it to this side. I'm going to take it to this side, and once I take it to this side, I'm going to make it give it italic form. All right, this is one of the way to beautify your work while formatting it. All right, this is one of the way to beautify your work. All right, so this is it here. I'm good to go. Then this, I'll increase this a little. I'll increase this a little. So here we go. Here we go. Now this particular line, if you still want to carry it up as you have written this, you want to keep it here. All right, if you want to keep it here and start writing, you can still keep it. Your choice. Okay, your choice. Now let's start writing. Now go back and copy, get your content. You get your content. Okay, you get your content. Then let me keep it here. Let me copy from here. Then come over here. See, go back to this place. Go back to this place. Then this particular content, copy it. Click on this three dot. Do copy. Once you do copy, come over here and paste. Come over here and paste. Okay. Then come over here. Here, do paste. You can see I've pasted this thing. Now since I've pasted it, remember I just copy my content from here. So what I need to do now is highlight all of these. Once I highlight all of them, then paste my chapter 1. So I have pasted my chapter 1 is for me to start editing it. All right, so love is good. I will start from here. I want to bring this thing up. Okay, then once I reach here, I want here to be in another paragraph. Then I still want here to be in another paragraph. Okay, then this place is a subheading. So I need it to be in a bold, and since it's a subheading, this one is going to go down. All right, now marriage is emotional, love is practical. I need this emotional and practical. I want to make it a point. All right, I want them to be a point. Love says, can I feel? So here too, this place that says love say, I feel happy with you, it's going to be in italic. Then marriage says, can I trust you? Then I still want it to be on italic. No, only italic. All right, so when someone is reading this and come over here, this person can kind of, before this writer pinpoint this particular words, that means it means something. Do you understand? That means it means something. That is, so if you need a particular point you want them to take note of, then just do it this way. Then another thing, now we are through with this particular page, we need another page. Then add another page. Come over there, then come over. Where did we stop? We stop okay, marriage as okay, I'm not happy. Let me just check where we stop. We stop at marriage as, can I trust you? Why love fails? Okay, marriage as, can I trust you? Okay, it's not even complete. Okay, can I trust you when I'm not happy? Then let's just start copying. Copy. Okay, so hope this I'm copying will enter. Let me just copy and reach here. Then copy, then go back. All right, then I'll go back. Then this is my new page. Remember, okay, still go back to this place, select, copy this, then come over here, go to this particular place. Now this new page, this is our new page. So click on this three dot again, paste. You know why I'm doing this copy and paste? So that you will not start afresh to be writing. Okay, let me say for example, now I did not do this paste. I will go to this text, then add this add this little or this particular letter. All right, choose this particular subtitle, then put my work. Yo, check it out. This is how it's going to look like. Do you understand? So I have to start afresh, start putting my font size, start editing so that it will fit in. Sometimes after doing this thing, you can see that all the whole pages will be in a different format, which is not what I want. So delete it, then go over there. That is why I used to do copy and paste. Then go to this particular three dot, copy. Once you've copied it, go to the page that you want to write, we are writing, then see, click on that three dot, then do paste. As you can see, we have paste this word. The next thing is to do is to highlight all of them. Once you highlight all of them, click on paste. You have already pasted that work, that your chapter 1. This is that our chapter 1. All right, this is that our chapter 1. All right, I want to delete this particular one. I want to delete this. So I have to start editing it. Then carry this up a little. Now when b piles up or whatever line become, now there is okay, come over here, shift it down. That is where, okay, no, it's now okay, put this down. This is where I have to go to another. Okay, step 1. Now I want to do something. This is step 1. This step 1, I want it to be bold. In fact, I want all of them to be bold, but from this this particular one that say check character, not charm, I want it to be italic. All right, now character is who someone is when he's not angry. Now I want to pinpoint this charm and character. I want to pinpoint it. So this character, I will put it on italic. White charm, I will still put it on italic. All right, now this particular place is telling us to pay attention. I'll make it bold so that you pay attention. There is something that this place is trying to tell you. Then pay attention how the people treat you when you help them, how they handle, whether so blah 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 blah. Now this is a kind of bullet point. I want to put bullet points here. Then I'm putting bullet points here. Then this is, you just put that, it's a kind of 3 bullet point. Then come over here to this place. You can see this point here. Then choose bullet points. You can just choose point or use 1 2 3, but I love using the kind of dot. All right, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, then this one say someone can love you deeply and still be impossible for him, blah 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 blah. So here you make this come over here, push it down. How to do it practical. Then this how to do it practical, you can still make it a kind of, okay, no, let me just leave it in a bold form. How to do it practically. All right, here now it says stop. Now I want to bring this up, please. Stop focusing. Now I want to make a point here. It says that I should stop focusing on daily. Then I will just put this particular one on italic. So this step 1 is finished. Then we are moving to step 2. So the step 2, I will still do this step 2 the same way I did this step 2, the same way I edited the step 1. Do you understand? The same way I edited the step 1 is the same way I'm going to edit this step 2. Then put it bold. But from this text, what is it called, from this one, it's going to be on italic. All right, just like the same way step 2 is. All right, then I will go to that place that say communication, something like that. This place that talk about communication, I will do it italic. Okay, I will make it to be on italic. So this thing did not, if you can see here, most of this my word content have passed this margin, so I will be deleting them. All right, I will be deleting them for them to go to other pages. So this is how to format your, what is it called, this is how to format your ebook on Canva. So from this pattern that I showed you, now you can still use it and do other ones, other pages. Okay, so now you come over here, ask yourself, you need to, you see this ask yourself, you can see this ask yourself, then put it in a bold, that pay attention. Okay, but put it in a bold format. So this is it here, you can see. Now this is my work, that rough work that you see, but see, you can see the way I organize this work. Now you can see the way I organized it to look good. You can see the way I organized it. So this is how to format your, this is how to format your ebook. This is how to format your ebook. Now the next thing now I want to show you is this. The next thing that I want to show you is what is it? Okay, this is the, let's assume that our work is finished and this our chapter 1 is finished. We are heading to chapter 2. All right, let's assume that we are heading to chapter 2 now. I'm going to stop this chapter 1. I'm not going to proceed. On your own work, just take your time. The way I formatted this. Now let's assume that want to go to chapter 2. Then get new chapter. Then come over here to this your chapter 1. All right. Click on these small things. These ones here. Then click on this three dot. Select multiple. All right, then start selecting any content here that you want to copy. All right, then select this multiple. You select this, then select this chapter, select all of them. All right, now you're not going to be selecting line cannot enter. So what you need to do is here, do copy first. Then once you do copy, come over to that your new fresh page. All right, come over to that your new fresh page, click on this three dots again, do paste. You will see that all of them have come. You can see all of those things have come. Now go over there, let's start selecting line. Then click on those line, then still go to that three dot, select multiple, then click on the second line. Okay, let me start from this line at the down. Click on this line. Select multiple, click on the second line, click on the third line, then click on copy. Once you click on copy, then come over here. Okay, I've already selected this one. Okay, come over here and let me delete this, please. Then come over here and do paste. All right, you can see, but one did not copy. We still go back. This particular one, this did not copy. Then we still go back and copy it. Then copy, and come over here and do paste. So it has paste. All right, as you can see, it has paste. Now let's assume that this is our chapter 2. So what we need to do here is come over here, change this to chapter 2, change it to 2. All right, now this before you say I do, it's always there. Then go to your chapter 2. Where is your chapter 2? Okay, let me go to my chapter 2. The person you are marrying will not change. Then copy, then go to your chapter 2. Once you go to your chapter 2, come over here and highlight this and still put it. So what you need to do now is to bring down your line. What you need to do is click on your line. Okay, let me click on your line, then bring it down. All right, bring it down. Then this, bring it down a little. All right. Okay. So now is to bring down your line a little bit to fit in. Okay. So this is it here. I want this to be in the center. Okay, now this line is no more in the center. Now since you bring out your line, then here you have to come over here to this particular one. This love is not enough. You know, we are now in chapter 2. We are not in chapter 1 again. So you need to change this particular one. You need to change this. So highlight. Oh god, it's not changing. You need to change it. Oh, this line is blocking me. So edit, highlight it and paste. All right, so what you need to do here is you come over here, draw it so that it will enter, or you minimize it a little so that it will enter. All right, so you minimize it a little so that it will enter. So this is it here. Now the next thing that you need to do is duplicate this page. Do duplicate. All right, you duplicate this page. Now once you duplicate the page, this is only page that you need to write your subheading. So come over here and delete these things, delete these ones, so that these ones will still be here. You will not start working on delete these ones. All right, so you can start duplicating the page. You can just come over here, start duplicating these pages, start duplicating it. The only thing you will just do is copy and paste. Just once you come over here, after writing your chapter After writing your chapter 1, chapter 2, once your chapter 2 is complete, if you go to another chapter, the only thing you need to do is edit this particular one, or you copy this thing and move to. So this is how to edit your work. So the last thing I want to show you is this how to do what okay, how to put your table of content. All right, so we're supposed to start our table of content here. Now there is two ways that you can use to put your table of content: automatic way, or you do it one after the other. But I prefer doing it one after the other. I will show you why. Now go to this you can see, just go to test. All right, when you see go to test, you can see page number here. You see page number, and now you can see the first one will say numbers only. Do you want number, example number 1, or page plus number, or XYZ, a kind of numeric form or Roman figure, something like that, depending on the one you want. Now this one say all pages. Where do you want it to start? Do you want it to start from page 1? Let's assume that you have your cover page. You will not start from cover page. You are going to be a kind of on select cover page. Do you understand? But now we don't have cover page, so it's going to be starting from a title page. So after that, you just click on done. Let's see. So you can see you can look at it here. You can see it has enter. We now have our this thing. We now have our table of content. All right, so this is it here. Now another form here. See, another way that I normally use to write my table of content. Another way that I use to write my table of content is this. I'll go back and let me remove all pages. Now I'll go to element. So once I go to element, I'll go to let this thing go now. I'll go to shapes. All right, then search for shapes, then still collect this. I'll take this. All right, then bring it down. Then I'll bring it to this place. No, this is not what I want. Is this one now? Is this? So I will bring it down to this place. So depending on where you want it to be, if you want it to be at the middle, it can be at the middle. If you want it to be at the front, it can be. If you want it to be at the top, it can still be. All right, so I will keep it here. I'll just bring it over to this particular place. All right, then I will write my, let me bring it down. Then what I will do here, let me just duplicate this. Write chapter, okay, page 1. Okay, so as I have written this page 1, I'll carry it and come over here. Then change the color. No, okay, this place is going to be black already. Okay, black. Then the text inside is going to be white. I will just make it white. All right, so here, make it bold. So this is how I used to write my table of content. Now what I need to do here now is come over here, click on this. What I need to do is click on this particular block form, square form, go to this 3 dots and do copy. And once I do copy, each page I click on it. Click on this 3 dots, do paste. They will start pasting. All right, I'll come over to another page. Then do paste. Then they will start pasting. That is when once I'm through with my work. Then later I will come over here as well. Then do copy. Then come over here, still do paste. Come over here, still do paste. But for this to be easy, for the first time I started doing my work, all right, for this to be easy, just like the way I'm a kind of duplicating this, just like the way I duplicated this, I already, first of all, what I will do this I will do this table of content. All right, yeah, the table of content. I will do the design that I want on my table of content. So once I do that design, for example, all of them will be here. So if I'm duplicating, okay, paste. Okay, this one I have paste. let me copy this, copy, then come over here and still do paste. Then oh god, what? Okay, let me just go back and copy down my first, copy this, then copy, then this is it. So I want to show you the what I used to do, please. Then paste, do paste. So it's I've done. So this is it. All right, so now what I need to do is this. I will first of all do all of this thing, all of the design, any design that I want my book to carry. So what I need to do is just start doing duplicate. All right, start doing duplicate, so that once I reach to that particular point, I will do edit. Now once your work is done, once you have finished writing your editing your book, what you need to do, go back to this three dots, go to setting. Once you go to setting, then remove this show margin, then remove it. All right, so as you can see, this is how our work is going to look like. All right, this is how our work is going to look like. We have finished editing our book. This is how our work is going to look like. Okay, look at it. Oh, this thing did not show here, god, because I didn't. Oh god, this thing did not show, so I have to still redo them. Let me kind of, copy, okay, let me copy this. What am I even copying self? I'm only copying this alone. What am I doing? So what I'm copying here is this, select multiple, and this is what I'm copying here. Then copy, then move over here, because I did not put this, I did not add it here, but I did not. So come over here, still come over here, select this line, copy, select multiple, then select this particular line, copy, then come over here and do this in shift, then come over here, do the same paste. Okay, all right, so this is our work here. The next thing is for us to start saving, for us to save, paste. So this is it here. All right, so this is our work, the first chapter, our introduction. All right, this is our introduction, this is our chapter 1, this is our chapter 2. All right, our chapter, okay, this is our chapter, please, the first page, second page, the chapter 2.